In Lạng province, receding floodwaters have left streets strewn with mud and debris, badly disrupting daily life. Hundreds of police officers, soldiers and youth volunteers are working around the clock to clean up affected places and restore normalcy.
More than 50 members of the youth union from the Lạng police are deployed to clear mud and waste from the streets of Bac Ninh. Similar operations are underway across the region as emergency forces work to help residents.
We have worked at numerous places in local wards, clearing waste and blocking drains, and helping residents move heavy furniture and personal belongings.
Beyond street clearance, recovery teams are going from door to door to help people move and reassemble heavy household items.
We are very fortunate. The police officers came to clean up and help carry our heavy woodwork downstairs. We are extremely grateful to the army and police personnel.
Taking advantage of improving weather and falling water levels, cleanup operations are prioritizing severely flooded areas, particularly along the Ghi Cung River, to prevent disease outbreaks.
The ward has mobilized all available forces for environmental sanitation based on the idea of cleaning up as soon as waters recede, helping people stabilize their lives as quickly as possible.
In the wake of disasters, solidarity is the most essential tool for recovery.
Heavy rains in recent days have flooded many residential areas and affected agricultural production. In Thanh Hoa, more than 380 hectares of rice, sugarcane and vegetables have been inundated. Rainfall is expected to ease today, but the flooding remains dire. Thanh Hoa has mobilized 44 pumping stations with nearly 150 pumps and dozens of drainage gates to quickly remove water and protect farmlands. In Bac Ninh commune, nearly 190 hectares of rice and vegetables have been flooded, making it the worst affected area in the province. 3 pumping stations are operating to drain the flood waters. Thanh Hoa's emergency units are working round the clock to quickly drain deeply flooded areas to protect crops. Flooding in Bac Ninh province has inundated nearly 9,000 hectares of rice and crops, disrupting agricultural production and daily life. Thanks to early warnings and the prompt relocation of livestock and farm assets, people have managed to limit the losses.
As floodwaters rose, the yard of this household became a temporary shelter for more than 100 pigs. The animals were moved out of their pens just before the water swept in and submerged the farm.
Youth volunteers came and helped my family greatly. They're still helping us move the rest to higher ground.
For another family, lessons from last year's flood and support from the local community hall helped protect both livestock and agricultural supplies.
Last year and this year, we've been lucky to have this community center. Last year, we borrowed it to store rice, fertilizers, and other goods.
Thousands of poultries were also moved to higher ground in Phan Thich village. Although the area was completely cut off and nearly 60 households had to evacuate, people's livestock and property was saved.
We identified flood-prone areas early and mobilized forces to move residents' belongings to safety. So Kep commune has recorded no loss of property, livestock or human life.
Drawing on experience from previous floods, close coordination and the timely mobilization of emergency forces have helped residents protect agricultural assets from the disaster. The province will continue operating drainage pumps around the clock to remove floodwaters from residential areas, farmlands and other places at risk of inundation.